coochie was bopping, was fresh. It's currently 8:12 in the morning. I'm supposed to be leaving now to go to a very special event. You're probably wondering, special event? What are you talking about? Like, where do you have to go 8:12 in the morning? The answer to that is a slime convention. It's like poofed up. This side isn't poofed up, but this side is poofed up. Not the point. Okay, so basically, I'm baby. Basically, a younger cousin of mine asked me if I could take her to this convention because it's kind of close to where I live and not close to where she lives. And so, because I love charity work and I have the kindest, most generous soul in the world, I said yes. This is little rascal who's making me take her to a slime convention.
We gave you money and I paid for it.
Maybe so. So yeah, again, a reminder.
Use the left 2 lanes to turn left.
So, Starbucks update. This is a strawberry, I can't say it. Strawberry refresher. Except I replaced it with
59 south for 14 miles.
Hey Siri. I replaced my water with lemonade because I think it's better that way. So this is technically just like a strawberry lemonade. But you don't need to know that. You don't need to know. You just know that it's really good. So we're on our way to this slime convention right now. How are we feeling? I'm feeling like a crackhead because I'm 19 years old and I'm going to a slime convention. But it's, you know, it's fine. It's totally fine.
The people like the slime shop, they're like 15.
So what you're saying is I'm gonna be the oldest person there, besides like parents and all that. You know what? Honestly, like respect, because they have their own business.
Make more money
Already. They're making way more money than I am. Way more successful than I am already. So I can't say anything, and I'm not gonna say anything. Get me at a good angle, bitch! The car behind me is literally like, she's an actual crackhead. Well, I almost went in the other lane. I will swerve this car. Don't test me. Sorry, car behind me. I swear I'm not on anything right now.
Are you sure?
I'm not on anything right now. You know what? I think it's just sleep deprivation because I slept, but I didn't sleep well. For my psych people out there who like took psych or like know about psychology, the stages of sleep, I'm pretty sure that I didn't go past like stage 2.
I don't sleep at all.
This troll kept taking the blanket away from me.
When you're like sleeping, you were snoring.
I don't snore!
She was snoring.
I don't snore. You were snoring. You were like, you were dead ass like.
In the beginning, you were snoring a little bit, Namaz.
Okay, well, shoot me for that. So,
Buy coffee.
I don't like coffee. Dude, I told one of my professors that I don't like coffee, and they're like, how are you surviving as a college student? And I'm like, honestly, at this point,
Do you have the money for that though?
the thing that's keeping me up and going.
Passion for success. Ya, sí. Pareces Cantinflas.
Tú pareces culebra. And yesterday, tickets dropped. Do you have a problem?
No.
Because I can pull this car over and we can talk about it. You done? So we're here. Yeah, let's go in. We're McFrickin' here. No words. No words. Ooh, a goodie bag.
Demasiado, pero a mí se me están haciendo aquí los precios ahorita.
So she bought this butter.
I bought it.
Yeah, I said she. I said she. She bought this brownie batter slime that literally smells like brownie. That's crazy. And she's gonna buy these scented glues.
Yeah.
Are you happy with your purchase?
Yeah, because it's scented.
What do they send it as?
Candy apple and watermelon sherbet. And
Watermelon sherbet.
Yeah, do you just like make it? Yeah.
I guess. I don't really know. You think I know what I'm doing?
Yeah, you're an adult.
She said some.
Thank you so much.
What'd you say?
That she's my favorite cousin.
Aw, of course I am. Because if not, we're going home.
You're my favorite cousin. I love you so much.
Yeah. You only love me because I took you here.
Huele bonito.
So let's see what you got.
I got this one, which is like Oreo McFlone. I got this one called Sugar Cookies. I got this one called Birthday Cake Shake. And this was 3 for $20. And for 20.
I think that's a good deal. This one actually smells like Fruit Loops, and it even has like, you can't see it, but it has like little Fruit Loop charms.
And then I got this one for $1.
$1?
And this was given for free when I bought these. I bought a lot of charms.
Pretty cool. Huh? So we're leaving to get lunch. We're gonna come back, Abby. This troll.
I don't know what you do.
Watch your mouth. All right. I'm just gonna.
I'm not helping with that.
I'm not helping with that. I didn't ask you.
You told me to hold.
So basically, I'm Monkey.
It's like $10, but then you get it from the slime.
When she was buying, or we had someone buy the tickets for us because I'm not gonna buy them.
And well, he ordered them, and then we gave my aunt the person the money in cash.
Yeah.
And they used a credit card.
This person thought that they were buying 1-day passes, but no, they bought 2-day passes. So I'm not going tomorrow.
I can't. It's my sister's
We can't.
birthday.
Well, we can't. I'm not going tomorrow just because I have no business coming here. But also, it's her sister's birthday tomorrow. So
Pretty. So strawberry.
So we're planning on just like
Giving them
giving
away.
the other one away to someone who wants to come tomorrow.
I love this one. Oh, fire estas.
That's borax, you trick ass. Mukbang time! Oh, we got Wendy's. That fo. Literally got the best parking spot, really close to the entrance, so like we don't have to. I just want to know what the hell. Give me them fries. You smart. Maybe you don't have 2 brain cells. Maybe you have like 3. Some may think that I have half a brain cell, but I actually have 2. Don't be fooled. You don't like cheese?
No.
Okay, so actually you do have half a brain cell. I don't like guac. Everyone gets so butthurt when I say that.
I don't like it either.
There's someone in the car across from us. I think they're also eating. Shout out to you.
Mayonnaise.
Yeah, it has mayo. You don't like mayo? One of my friends said that I eat like a baby. Watch me. Oh my god. Oh my.
She's weird.
I'm not weird. You're weird.
I'm not recording myself eating.
They ask you how you are, you just
That is offensive to all mukbang eaters in the world. Say you're sorry. You should watch your mouth. Oh, they only gave me 3.
I really don't like it.
Did you just almost throw up? Okay. I can't do it.
Being so
She went like,
to me.
I literally thought she was gonna throw up. I'm like, damn, is it that deep, ma? I just drank from her. Mendiga. Slime convention. Gone wrong. Culebra.
Just fake it like every other people on YouTube do it. What's this?
Okay, come here. Ven pa' acá. It looks fine, don't worry.
Yeah.
She
Yeah, because I was carrying the food. I was carrying the food. Little monster.
She has crumbs all over her. The food is in the bag. How are all those crumbs gonna get?
No.
You're just a messy eater.
No, I'm not.
Nasty bitch.
I need like a baby though.
What about it?
Mega center.
Huh? I don't think I'm gonna finish it.
Tampoco.
Okay, pues come popo.
We should have gone at lunchtime where people were leaving.
We did leave at lunchtime.
I know, but we should. No. Nada.
Nada.
One man over there. Nada.
Nada.
Wait, oh my god, there's another family there. I don't know you. I don't know you. Stop recording now. Do you see a 48-year-old woman into something that's... Stop.
She dabbed. Huh?
Nada.
Nada. You can have the rest of my drink if you want.
No.
Okay, damn. So harassing. Like, no.
So,
Nada.
I'm gonna find ice.
You organizing every 5 minutes.
Because I keep buying things every 5 minutes.
Well, that's your problem.
I know.
I know.
De nada.
Keep laughing.
I only bought like 2 slimes.
You got me messed up with your 2 slimes.
Oh wait, this is Oreo McFlome.
McFlome?
McFlome.
Mac?
I'm C-Flome.
Do you know how to say that?
No.
Mac? MC Flome? She said some MC Flome.
Oh my god, I'm such an idiot. Don't respond to
You
that.
know. Listen to that.
Don't do that, that's gonna get on your phone. Oh, I found it.
That's what good pussy.
Shoot, it opens anything's missing.
Okay, it literally tells us brownies. It's crazy. Whenever I was watching on YouTube clip, they would say, I'm really sure what they're saying. I'm like, I don't get it. Like, does it really? It does. So, like, then you actually see it.
Listen, I'm not part of the slime community, but I respect it.
Let's go waste more money.
Yo ass.
This
Yo mama
much.
gonna beat your ass.
I can run, she can't. Okay, now vámonos.
We gave away our 2-day pass to someone, so someone's lucky enough to come tomorrow for free. I went to a slime convention, and you know what I bought? 2 scrunchies. She was gonna take this pink one. I'm like, I
No, I
totally
was like,
finessed
but
it
this
from
one's
her.
pretty.
She literally bought the whole convention. Time to drive home. We had a good time. We had fun. Okay.
These are cute.
Bye.